Alright, so I'm going to show you how I do the upstairs windows. This is a TDS meter. This is hose water that I'm going to measure. $168, $169. That's the amount of total dissolved solids parts per million. That is way too much to clean windows. This is my water filtration system. All you need to know is the water gets filtered very well, and I'll show you. So you turn that valve. So you see I have this pole here. It is a telescoping pole, extends out to 40 feet, and I have a boar's hair brush. And so basically, this has the filtered water coming through it. So you see it has water jets. I just turn it off. So the boar's hair does a very good job of scrubbing all the dirt off, and the water, it doesn't have any dissolved solids in it, so it's very absorbent of dirt. And just to show you, so you remember the hose water's at 169, right? So I'm going to fill up this water. All right, I have the water. It says 1. It usually says 0. I might need to replace the resin here pretty soon, but 1 is no problem. So 1 as opposed to 169. As you can see, virtually filters out every single thing in the water. Let's clean it out. First, get the frames. Now that the frames are done, clean the window. Get in the corner like that. Scrub the top. Get the bottom. Left, right. Then just rinse it off. The water is water falling down perfectly. And that's what rinses the window of all the dirt. And so that's how we clean the second story of exterior windows.